What is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, and if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on so you guys can get notified when our new video comes up. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to buy American Express gift card online. And what American Express is American Express is a multinational financial company, which is an American company. As you guys can know, in the name it says American Express, so you guys might know. So to buy an American Express gift card, also known as Amex gift card, it's pretty simple. You need to go to this website called amexgiftcard.com, as you guys can see at the top. And once you come to this website, you can click on buy gift cards over here. After you click on buy gift cards, there's gonna be all this variety of gift card over here. These are all Amex gift card. You can buy whichever you want. And after deciding which gift card you want to buy, you can click on it. And after clicking on it, it's gonna take you to this page. Now over here, you can choose whether you want an email version of it or a mail version of it. So what a mail version means is you're gonna get a actual physical version of this gift card, which like a normal credit card, you can touch it, do whatever you want. Or you can get an email version in which it's gonna send you all the necessary code of the gift card on your email. So I'm gonna go with email one because it's easy. So over here I can enter the value. I can enter a custom amount as well, like 300 or 250, or choose from this amount over here, given over here. So I'm going to go with custom, and I have to enter the recipient's email over here. So this is the email in which the gift card is going to be sent. I need to re-enter it to confirm it. So let me re-enter the email. Now over here you need to write your name, and you need to write the name of the person to whom you are sending it. So let me write the name, and then this is optional if you want to write a message over here to the person you are sending, but if you don't, then you can not write and click. And once it added to cart over here, as you guys can see, it's loading. You can click on proceed to checkout. Now over here, enter your phone number, and after entering your phone number, click on continue to payment. And after it verifies it is your phone number, then it's going to take you to the payment process and fill up the payment form correctly, enter your card number, your card detail, and then pay for the card, and your card should be sent to the email over here, which is shown over here. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day, everybody. Peace out and have a nice day. Bye bye.